Chapter 2, Excel 2016 Charts. A chart is a graphical representation of data using symbols like bars, lines, or slices. It can display numeric data, functions, or quality structures conveying various types of information. Charts allow users to see the results of data to better understand and predict current and future data. Learning outcomes. Children will be able to understand the necessity of charts in Excel, identify the components of charts, learn various types of charts and their functions. Neha: Hi Tia, I'm looking to understand charts in Excel. Can you help me out? Tia: Of course, Neha. Charts in Excel are super useful. They help you visualize data. Neha: Why do I need that? Tia: Well, charts make data easier to understand. You can quickly see trends, comparisons, and patterns in your information. Neha: Sounds handy. What types of charts should I know about? Tia: The most common ones are bar charts for comparisons, line charts for trends, pie charts for proportions, and scatter plots for relationships. Neha: That's a good starting point. How do I create them? Tia: Let us begin with the chapter to understand the charts and how to create them. Microsoft Excel is a popular spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft. It is widely used for various tasks involving data organization, analysis, and calculation. Excel allows us to create a wide range of charts and graphs to visually represent data. Chart in Excel. A chart in Excel is a graphical tool that communicates data visually, helping the audience understand the significance of the numbers, comparisons, and trends. Its main functions are data display and encouraging deeper exploration of a topic. Charts are used in situations where a simple table won't adequately demonstrate important relationships or patterns between data points. Benefits of using charts in Excel. There are various benefits of using charts in Excel. Some of them are as follows. 1. Excel charts make data easy to see and understand. 2. They help compare different pieces of information quickly. 3. Charts reveal patterns and trends in data. 4. They make it easier to study data relationships. 5. Excel charts can be interactive for exploring data. 6. Creating charts is faster than manually interpreting data tables. Components of a chart. The various components of a chart are as follows. 1. Chart title. It describes the aim and contents of the chart. 2. Chart area. Chart area includes all the area and objects in the chart. 3. Category axis. Category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. 4. Value axis. Value axis or y-axis is the vertical axis used to plot the values. It is located at the left side. 5. Data labels. Data series are the bars, slices, or other elements that show the data values. If there are multiple data series in the chart, each will have a different color or style. 6. Data labels. Data labels are the category names which are displayed on the x-axis and y-axis. 7. Plot area. Plot area is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted data, data series, category, and value axis. 8. Legend. It depicts the colors, patterns, or symbols assigned to the data series. It helps to differentiate the data. 9. Grid lines. These can either be horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. They extend across the plot area of the chart. Grid lines make it easier to read and understand the values. Types of charts in Excel. There are different types of charts available in MS Excel 2016, such as column chart, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, area charts, scatter plot, etc. You can choose the one that best fits your data. MS Excel provides several tools in the Insert tab under the Chart group that help you create these charts. In order to use charts effectively, you will need to understand how different charts are used. Let us understand and create different types of charts in Excel. Column chart. A column chart is a graph that shows vertical bars with the axis values for the bar displayed on the left side of the graph. Column charts are used to compare values across categories. To create a column chart, execute the following steps. 1. Select the range A1 to A7. Hold down Ctrl and select the range C1 to D7. 2. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the column symbol. Line chart. Line charts are used to display trends over time. Use a line chart if you have text labels, dates, or a few numeric labels on the horizontal axis. To create a line chart, execute the following steps. 1. Select the range A1 to D7. 2. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the line symbol. 3. Click Line with markers. Note: only if you have numeric labels, empty the cell A1 before you create the line chart. By doing this, Excel does not recognize the numbers in column A as a data series and automatically places these numbers on the horizontal or category axis. After creating the chart, you can enter the text year into cell A1 if you like. Let's customize this line chart. To change the data range included in the chart, execute the following steps. 1. Select the line chart. 2. On the Design tab in the Data group, click Select Data. 3. Uncheck dolphins and whales and click OK. Pie chart. A pie chart is a type of circular Excel chart which represents the visualization of data in circular format. Pie charts are used to display the contribution of each value or slice to a total pie. Pie charts always use one data series. To create a pie chart of the 2017 data series, execute the following steps. 1. Select the range A1 to D2. 2. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the pie symbol. 3. Click Pie. 4. Click on the pie to select the whole pie. 5. Click on a slice to drag it away from the center. Bar chart. A bar chart is a graph that shows horizontal bars with the axis values for the bars displayed on the bottom of the graph. To create a bar chart, execute the following steps. 1. Select the range A1 to B6. 2. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the column symbol. 3. Click Clustered Bar. Area chart. An area chart is a line chart with the areas below the lines filled with colors. Use a stacked area chart to display the contribution of each value to a total over time. To create an area chart, execute the following steps. 1. Select the range A1 to D7. 2. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the line symbol. 3. Click Area. Result: in this example, some areas overlap. Hence, you can find the corresponding line chart to clearly see this. 4. Change the subtype of the chart into Stacked Area, the one next to Area. Scatter plot. Use a scatter plot XY chart to show scattered XY data. Scatter plots are often used to find out if there's a relationship between variables X and Y. Only markers. To find out if there is a relationship between X, a person's salary, and Y, his or her car price, execute the following steps. 1. Select the range A1 to B10. 2. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the Scatter symbol. 3. Click Scatter. Changing chart type. After creating a chart, you can change the chart type in Excel. Alternatively, you can also choose a different subtype of the same general chart type you first selected. Either way, note that if you change the chart type, you may lose custom formatting you have applied to it. You may also need to reposition custom elements you have added to the chart area. To change the chart type in Excel, the following steps should be executed. 1. Select a chart or one of the chart's elements. 2. Then click the Design tab of the Chart Tools contextual tab in the ribbon. 3. Then click the Change Chart Type button in the Type button group. 4. In the Change Chart Type dialog box, select the new chart type at the left side of the dialog box. 5. The different subtypes of the selected chart type then appear in the list at the right side of the dialog box. 6. Then click the specific chart subtype to apply. 7. Then click the OK button at the bottom of this dialog box. Flashback. Excel allows us to create a wide range of charts and graphs to visually represent data. In Excel 2016, charts and diagrams can show trends, averages, high and low points, etc. The different components of a chart are chart title, chart area, data series, legend, x-axis, y-axis, data labels, plot area, and grid lines. There are different types of charts available in MS Excel 2016, such as column chart, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, area charts, scatter plot, etc. You can choose the one that best fits your data. Column charts are used to compare values across categories by using vertical bars. Line charts are used to display trends over time. Pie charts are used to display the contribution of each value or slice to a total pie. An area chart is a line chart with the areas below the lines filled with colors. Scatter plots are often used to find out if there is a relationship between variables x and y. A bar chart is a graph that shows horizontal bars with the axis values for bars displayed on the bottom of the graph.